Alright, and we are off on Icebreaker. You excited?
I am.
Premier multi-launch roller coaster. Wait a minute. It's a dead end. Where are we gonna go? Oh, we're sliding over. Transferring onto the launch track. Getting ready for the first launch. Here we go.
Okay.
Alright. And we are up the spike. Second launch, here we go. Whoa, backwards. Whoa. Whoa. Okay.
Hi, everybody.
Whoa. Whoa. That's some good airtime there.
Yeah.
Whoa. Weird time. Icebreaker. What did you think?
It was cool.
It was nice.
Was it scary?
But these restraints are incredibly uncomfortable. The seatbelt stabbed me midway through the ride. That was a big one.
They really get you in the gut.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know. I think I just don't like Premier restraints. But
There's a sharp metal seatbelt around here somewhere, and it stabbed me right in the gut. A bit uncomfortable, but still a fun ride.